Is social media marketing dead in 2022? And if you're an aspiring business owner who wants to get in the online space, who has been thinking about building a marketing agency, I want you to watch this video because I'm gonna give you the most unbiased opinion on this, even though I do run my own marketing agency. And I really think that if you're looking to get in the online space, you wanna make money, it's not Shopify dropshipping, it's not affiliate marketing, it's not Amazon FBA, it's not Walmart automation, it's not being a coach or consultant, it's not, go starting some local brick and mortar. The best margins right now for an individual trying to make money online is building your own social media marketing agency in 2022. So make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe. And if you do want to build an SMMA this year, this channel is gonna be a huge hub for you so that you can get tips, tricks, advice, softwares, where to get clients, how to close clients, how to price your services. All of that is gonna be on this channel. Over the last 3 years, I have ran a very successful marketing agency, does multiple 7 figures a year. We service over 150 plus accounts, and maybe I was where you are. I was thinking of starting a business. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I didn't have the right skill sets, but I'm telling you right now that building an SMMA this year is going to be the easiest decision you make as long as you watch this channel and you're willing to learn and you're willing to invest a couple $100 here and there. You can make this work. Because the biggest skill sets that you're gonna learn in marketing become as soon as you become an SMMA owner. You're gonna learn offer creation, you're gonna learn how to build landing pages, you're gonna learn ads, you're gonna learn creatives, video ads, graphic ads, you're gonna learn systems and processes for a business to scale. You're gonna learn high ticket sales, you're gonna learn sales closing, you're gonna learn product overviews, product ladders, how to increase AOV, how to increase LTV, all of these skill sets. And even with landing pages, like being able to write copy, not just for landing pages, but for emails and SMS, having these skill sets is gonna make you forever never be hungry again. So as far as starting a social media marketing agency in 2022, there are a couple of things to understand. Number one is there are more businesses being made than ever. Okay, every single day that goes by that you're not taking action, there are probably a couple of hundred to thousands of businesses being created every single day. And most of these business owners, they don't have time to do marketing. They don't understand marketing, they don't understand automations, they don't understand ads, they don't even understand getting more traffic. And that is for you to step in and do so. And even if you are first starting out, you can get clients on very small retainers. You can push free trials and get clients to then pay you after the trial. There are so many ways to get clients right now that it's inexcusable to not be making money as an SMMA owner in 2022. The second piece is that since there's so many business owners out there, there's actually becoming, less and less competition for agency owners because there are a lot of agencies out there. I get it. You've seen the business model, you've seen how many people are trying to start one, but a lot of them are not running ads themselves. A lot of them are just getting, traffic organically. They're getting traffic through, affiliates. They're getting traffic through local businesses only. If you want to scale like I did, you have to be able to harness paid ads to then get yourself clients with predictability. Because right now we're spending, probably about $4,000 a day running traffic to my funnel to get about 35 to 55 booked appointments every single day. And I have a sales team for that. And we're getting 3 to 5 new clients every single day. Because that predictability is what makes having an SMMA so profitable. And right now, I have a team of 48 people and, most of them are virtual. And just because of all the automations, the SOPs and the managers that we have, like our margins are still over 35%. And a lot of people who have, massive amounts of payroll, they're barely sitting at 20, 25. And that's the biggest difference with this business model is that the margins are insanely high. Your fulfillment in the beginning is gonna be predicated on you. And then once you're making like 20, 30K a month, then you can then delegate and hire people. And when you do hire people, you can spend between 1K a month and like 3K a month for someone to help you out. When you're making 20, 30K a month, you can handle that workload on your own. But if you want to scale, you're going to need at least 3 to 5 people lined up to get you to about, 50K a month. And then you're going to need account managers. Then you're going to need, marketing assistants. Then you're going to need, funnel builders, copywriters, media buyers, sales people to actually start closing more deals for you so that when you are scaling, you can obviously make more revenue. You're going to need somebody as like a paralegal or some type of lawyer or attorney to help you with legality because you're gonna have contracts for these clients. I'm hoping you will. But it is the most non-friction, Simplest business to create right now. And no, I don't have a course for this because I'm too busy running my own agency. I don't really sell information like that. I used to try to do it and I kind of stopped because I focused on that one thing that like always made me money with the least amount of effort, and it was just getting more clients. So if you're looking for the business model right now to really start, and you've looked into SMMA and you've been on the edge, you've been thinking about all the moving factors, like there's also white labels that you can go to. There's a company called Agency Box that actually will do the marketing for you. So say for example, you charge a client $2,000. You can then go to Agency Box and other white label partners and you can pay them $299, $399 per account, and they can run the marketing for you. So all you're doing all day is just selling, and then you're giving a 20% margin away to a white label company who will handle the fulfillment for you. The only thing you have to take over is the account management, client communication, having those reportings and account overviews with those clients. You don't have to worry about the fulfillment, the ads, the graphics, the funnels, the copy, the emails, the SMS. All that can be done for you. Now, I've tried white label partners before. You have to really do your research with them, but Agency Box has been the best one. Also, some of my mentors like Jason Capital have used Agency Box in their programs and they've done very well for their students. So that's the one that I would really, really recommend. So if you're looking to start a business right now, SMMA is definitely the business for you. If you want to know more videos about this, just comment questions and topics down below that you want me to cover. Also like the video and subscribe if you are new. And I hope to be your next mentor for your SMMA agency in 2022. I wish you the best of luck, and I wish that I found this business model sooner, because when I was first trying to start, I was just doing local business marketing, which is technically an agency, but it's not really an agency because you're just depending on local traffic only. Then I started getting into building a personal brand and getting more traffic nationally and doing that kind of scalability. And that's where the business really blew up. So if this is the business that you want to start, just comment down below any questions that you have about starting. I will lead you in the right direction possible. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.